stop to watch the flowers bloom. Every day we wait for something new. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Look around, there's so much here to see. If you open your eyes, there's nothing we can't do. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home.
I'm trying to be a good one, trying to do it right. I'm open but discerning, I try to pick my fights. And all this time alone I've come to be a different man, mostly just by wondering about how it all began. I've learned to set some boundaries as I healed a lot of wounds. I even practiced singing so I'd sing less out of tune. Working on yourself can be like trying to sculpt a wave, and I can't tell if I am on the moon or in a cave. In the darkness, tears did guide me to the promised land inside me. I've watched my friends get married, watched them fall apart, seen them compromise so much it kinda broke my heart. I've heard them blame each other, heard them live on lies, say everything that comes to mind except apologize. Ain't saying I got answers, but I know it doesn't fly. That someone else's fantasy is no good alibi. Maybe if we focus more on quality than time, falling out of love wouldn't be looked at as a crime. Under pressure, pride misguides you. Break your promise, don't deny you, don't control it, make room for it. trying to meet a good one. Wait, that don't sound right. I mean to say if I met someone cool, it'd be alright. So if you like spelunking or gazing at the moon, maybe we can meet up on a weekend sometime soon.
In a place that stands outside of time, there are forces stronger than you and I. A current flowing under the unexamined hunger, and we're all looking at the sky. Broken down and used, there's a mystery begging for a clue. Is it truth or just a feeling, a fiction or a healing? And could it really be renewed? Well, you can wait for an arrival or pray for a revival. Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can. Or you can take the hurt you've taken down to the river's edge, and you can leave it. You can leave it in the water. This great comedy divine, not everybody's laughing all the time. There is flood and there is fire, a little loss may be required, but there's hope that we can borrow to see the beauty in the sorrow. Well, you can wait for an arrival, pray for a revival. Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can. Or you can take the hurt you've taken down to the river's edge, and you can leave it. You can leave it in the water. Can wait for an arrival or pray for a revival. Yes, we can. Oh, yes, we can. Or we can take the road less taken down to the river's edge, and we can leave it. We can leave it in the water. In the water.
Welcome to Missouri.